Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build a Daniela's Glamorous VMA inside outfit, including her signature style, accessories, and pose that made everyone talk about her. If you want to slay like Katseye's Daniela with her iconic 2025 VMAs look recreated in DTI, just watch this video. So first, these are the hair that I use for Daniela's look. For this one, I only use the bangs, so to go it's into only bangs and change the color to black. And for these two, there are some adjustments that I use. So in here, I'm using Rotate X51. And for this one in here, I'm not changing anything. And the last one, this curly hair. Change all the color to black and set the scale to 60 and position Y42 and Z48. Now let's just make the outfit. So first I'm going to go to the women section and I'm going to put on this one piece dress. I'm going to use this silver color and change the material into glitter. And put on the gloves, remove the fur, change the color to black, and I'm going to make it in silk. Now I'm going to put on other items. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear this one in here. Remove the ribbon and change the color into black. You can put on some accessory like this necklace in here. Toggle it into number 2. Change the color into silver, just like this. And also these earrings. And here is the adjustment position, Z44. And rotate X54 like this for the necklace. And now I'm going to put on this purse, change all the color into black, go to the dressing room, and here I'm going to use the eyelashes. And go to the petal updates and use this skirt. Change all the color into silver and white like this. Now you can also go to the code items and put on these pearls. Change the color into white and silver. And I'm going still on the code item. I'm going to use the top from this dress, so to glue it into top, and don't forget to change color. So guys, this is the final look of Daniela VMA in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.